Somebody has the hiccups. But today they're 1 week old. They're 1 week old today. Can you believe that? Huh? Can you believe that? And we got the hiccups. So that sucks, doesn't it? Look at these little hands. Little bitty hands. Trevor. Hey, hey. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Say hi, I'm 1 week old today. And I got the hiccups so bad. Aww. Poor Trevor. You do have a bottom lip, I swear. You just suck it in all the time. Don't ya? I love you, baby. I love you.